Hey students, want to hack your homework using AI? Today I'll share 3 smart ways to use ChatGPT ethically, effectively, and safely so you can study smarter, not harder. First, let's talk about why this matters. ChatGPT can feel like magic, generating essays, solving problems, even writing code. But most teachers say straight copying answers is cheating. Instead, you can use it to understand, learn, and improve your own work. When you copy a history question or a concept you don't get, say, explain how photosynthesis works like I'm 12, ChatGPT breaks it down simply. This allows you to grasp the core idea, then rewrite it in your own words. Teachers love original writing, not regurgitation. Ask ChatGPT quiz me on quadratic equations. It'll give you questions to solve and then show you how to check your answers. This way, you're practicing actively, not just copying. Active recall is a top study method. This tool turns into your personal tutor. Stuck writing an essay? Type a draft in and ask, suggest ways to improve tone, add examples, and fix grammar. It then helps elevate your own writing, adding clarity, not replacing your ideas. You stay in control and it acts like your editor. So to recap, use ChatGPT to simplify, quiz yourself, and polish your work, not to cheat. If this helps, drop a clam, hit subscribe, and tell me in comments which tip you liked, or your own ChatGPT hack.